Hey guys, so I just filmed my project pan update and had those empties there. So I figured why not go ahead and film my other empties. So that way I can empty the box and start over. So today is the 13th of February. And I have quite a few products here that I've counted as empties. This is the Bite Agave Lip Mask in Maple. I used a little bit of this. I didn't use a lot. This is just a little sample tub that I got. I really don't like this. Just the smell and the you can taste it. It's just not my cup of tea. So I am discontinuing that. I'm throwing out some sugar scrubs because, well, they're pretty old. And you can see I haven't really used a lot of this one. It doesn't take much when you do use a sugar scrub. This was from Good Earth Beauty, the vanilla lip scrub. I used to have the chocolate and strawberry as well, and over the years I gave them away. And these are organic, so honestly I haven't used this thing in well over a year. It's just been sitting, and they're organic, so technically I should have thrown this away for a while, but it didn't. It lasted until me actually like purging this year. And then I've got the Sweet Mandarin lip scrub. I was really sad about this one. There's a lot of product left in there. This is from Rainbow Honey. It just doesn't smell right. And Rainbow Honey has been out of business for a few years. So this was one that was, I don't even think this one was ever used because this was stashed away in my makeup collection. I have this pineapple lip butter from Smitten Soapery. She rebranded, but I can't for the life of me think of the new brand name. This is actually an indie brand. They make soaps and lip balms and stuff. And this just doesn't smell right anymore. And it's really dry and waxy like a crayon now. So unfortunately, I lost this one for too long, and it's gone bad on me, so I'm really sad. And that was the pineapple one. I also had a coffee one, but I used up most of that before it went bad. Most of these products are sadly ones that went bad. I've got the Glam Glow Glitter Gravity Mud Mask sample. I used the whole thing up. I posted a picture of it to Instagram the other day when I used it, and there was just enough for one-time use. This is the e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm. It just smells so bad. I've noticed a lot of the products like this, these sticks, they just go bad so quick. This one is one. This is a cooling balm. It says prep skin for makeup application. It's got vitamin E, shea butter. Well, it just says shea. So there's that. Similar product is the Photo Focus Hydrant Balm. I haven't even had this for very long. And it has a similar smell to the e.l.f. one, where it just smells pungent. This is also a cooling stick. So basically kind of like Milk Makeup has, except for a drugstore. I would say this one's about a year old. And the bad thing about these is that they don't have their shelf life on the actual like package. So yeah, it's not great. This one I think is like 6 months old, maybe less, maybe more. Honestly, I'm not really sure how old the Wet n Wild one is. A product that I actually used up is one that made me sad. It's the Stila liquid highlighter in Queen. It's, I mean, what little there is right there is all dry, and as you can see straight through it. What there might be in there is to the point where I can't get to it. Yeah, I can't get to what there might be left in there, which it looks like there could be a little bit here, but it's just not long enough. That one was a win. The next one here is a Avon Glim Sticks lip liner in clear. This one is another one. That's all that was left in it. So this one was pretty well loved, I feel. It just doesn't work like it used to. And I feel like it's two different colors. Like up here it's more white and then it's more clear. So maybe further down it's okay. Yeah, no, it's got the same texture. It's just very rubbery and dry, so that it doesn't work anymore. So I'm calling this one an empty. This last product I am really sad to see go. I was trying to get through it as quick as possible. Honestly, I don't know what the expiration date was because it was on the bottom and it rubbed off. And this is the Watermelon Ulta Beauty Sleeping Mask. And I don't know, I've maybe had this 8 months. 8 months or less. And it used to smell so delicious. But got about halfway through the jar and now it smells funny. This is like a dupe for the Glow Recipe version, and this is Ulta's brand version, and I really like it. I'm gonna put the lid on it though because it smells terrible. I'm really sad to let this one go because it was such a beloved product, but it's time. I will be repurchasing that product, which I'm probably going to record a separate video for this after this one is done. But yeah, I'm really sad to see that one go. But that's my empties so far, not including my Project Pan empties, which I actually have successfully used up several things. Pretty much everything I've been using up instead of, you know, tossing because it's time or expired, has all been in my Project Pan. So if you want to see those, the link will be in the cards. So please check that out. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next video. Bye.